What's the deal, everybody? It's JT back with a new video. In today's video, I want to show you how you can make your first $100 with Max Bounty in 2020. I know today I fell kind of short of $100, but in total from today and yesterday, 84 plus 56, that's 140. I already did the math on that. So over $100, and all I did was use a traffic source using Bing ads with Max Bounty CPA offers. You can do this with any network, whether you're in Max Bounty or ClickBank. I actually just made some ClickBank commissions today. Just started back promoting ClickBank offers. You can see 49 on that. But yeah, like I said in this video, I'm going to show y'all how you can make your first $100. All it takes is, for the offer example, I'm going to use one of these offers. Honest scores today, free credit scores, rent to own. I don't talk about rent to own too much on my channel, so I just go with this. And the only tool that you'll need to make this work, because people always asking, what investment besides an ad budget that you're gonna need to run this. The only tool I recommend, because I don't even use a landing page when I'm promoting on Bing, I just use a tracking tool called ClickMagic. It comes with a 14-day free trial, and after that it's $27 per month. You can use the $67 per month plan or the starter plan. I recommend a starter plan if you're new to Bing ads or whatever, or if you're on a limited budget. Now you might be saying, oh, $27 per month, can I do without it? You can run traffic without it, but I'm telling you, in the long run, even in the short run, you're gonna wish you had this set up, because a lot of times people, they just be, I'm gonna show y'all in a second and I pull up like the keywords or whatever. But like I was saying though, if you got a list of, let's say, 30 to 50 keywords and you bidding on all of them, you don't know which keywords is getting you the sale. So you could be spending, say your budget is $100 and you got 50 different keywords, when only probably 5 of those is actually generating you sales. You wouldn't know that unless you had tracking. I done said this in the last probably 5 Bing ads videos. Like, you need tracking. That's almost like you need tracking more than the landing page, because this is just super, super important, man. You will waste a lot of money not having a tracking tool set up. So I will leave a link below as my affiliate link for ClickMagic. You can join under me, and yes, I will receive a commission for it, just helping me out. Why not? It costs nothing to you. But we're gonna use this offer as an example. Paradise Rent to Own. Let's say how much they pay out. Yeah, it's a cost per sale offer instead of a lead offer, because lead offers, they do good on Bing ads. Bing ads is high quality and everything, but it's just like the clicks is kind of going up on Bing, so it's kind of hard to profit with an offer that's paying out $1 to $3, because the clicks is almost $1, or sometimes they're $1 and over. So it's almost impossible to profit with a CPL offer unless you really, really know what you're doing. But beginners, you can actually go and promote sale offers like this. It pays out $32 per lead. Quick tip, offers that you got to request to get approved for, those convert like crazy. You can see it's got a network EPC of 93 cents. So basically, if you can get clicks for 50 cents, 60 cents, you can make this profitable very, very easily. And in my experience, the network EPC is normally way less than what I get personally running the campaigns, because this is network ride. It could be, you got people sending traffic from banners, search, social. So it's not just people sending traffic from Bing. So when you send in traffic from Bing, your EPC might be $1.50. For all you know, you won't know until you really test. But like I said, offers like this that you got to request approval to run normally converts the highest. So if we was gonna take this as an example, rent to own, you can go to Bing, type in rent to own just to get some ideas on some ad copy that you can use. Now, my ad copy, I'm either stealing my ad copy or I'm coming up with it myself. Depends on how I'm feeling. Sometimes I'll create it from scratch, just looking at the offer landing page. Let me show y'all real quick. I didn't even show y'all the landing page, but see, you get a cap of 25 actions per day, only United States. You want to remember this stuff when you're setting up your campaign, because you don't want to be targeting mobile devices if it only accepts desktop. So pay attention to all of the offer descriptions. As you can see, they even allow brand bidding on this offer, because normally that's said like right here under search restrictions. So they say search is all good, but this is the landing page to it. You can use copy from the landing page to put in your ad copy. So you can mention something like 7-day trial, blah, blah, blah. You can say get into your new home as easy as 1, 2, 3. Turn rent payments into home ownership. You can use all of that inside your ad copy. Or you can just go, straight, just basically put yourself in the shoes of somebody that's interested in this offer. So if you was looking for a rent to home offer, or a rent to own home or whatever, what would you type in on these search engines to find that? So you would type in something like rent to own homes near me. Related searches is other stuff you might search to try to find these type of homes. And you can all target all of these different keywords, setting it up over on Bing ads. You can even go to the keyword planner inside of Bing. Bing, Google has one too. right here, but under tools, keyword planner, search for new keywords using a phrase or whatever. So rent to own, just show y'all real quick. Rent to own, get suggestions so y'all can see all the keywords that it brings up. You see, I want to go with the highest monthly searches first. So houses, rent owner, low income rent owned homes, 27,000 searches per month. High competition, you're gonna be a suggested bid of 31 cents. Let's see, rent owned homes near me. This is a keyword I would definitely target myself. As you can see, the suggested bid is 40 cents, 10,000 searches per month. So you can get some good traffic in this niche, definitely. Let me see if this website is even getting, okay, not on similar web. But going back to Bing, if you wanted to, you need the keywords to target, you can just type in one broad keyword, look at the related searches and pull up a bunch more. You can click on, let's see, click on one of the related searches and bring up a whole new list of related searches, either at the top or at the bottom. You can just keep going pretty much all day long. They're just going to keep bringing related searches every time you click on one. So once you do that, you can, for keywords, you can do that simple way. Now for ad copy, you can literally just do the same thing. Just open up all those different keywords, copy this. So rent to own homes, rent to own home listings, why rent when you can own your home, compare affordable rent to own home listings, be the first to access, blah, blah, blah. Scroll to the bottom of the page. You should normally see some more ads. You can see search rent to own listings. And, once you're playing around in the niche, you know what works and what don't work. After you've seen, 50, 100 different ad copies, you can just know what works at that point. So just keep pulling up these different searches, jotting down which ones you want to use. You don't have to come up with this stuff yourself. A lot of people, that's a hang up for a lot of people. They don't want to come up with ad copies, so just steal them or just model them. Let me stop saying steal it, because I know people probably be watching this video. I might run into their ads and tell people to copy it. Listen, man, model the campaigns if you want to, but you can't copy them. Pretty sure you copied it too, man. But yeah, man, you done made a list of keywords that you want to target, whether it's 10, whether it's 20, 100, or 1,000. You done came up with some ad copies. All you do is basically just go and set it up over on Bing. Now, I got too many tutorials on my channel showing y'all how to set up campaigns step by step. Very, very easy to do. It's literally just taking these keywords, taking the ads that you want to use, and copy and pasting inside of Bing. And this offer, if you want to run this, of course, you got to request approval to run it. How many leads per day were you seeing? So if you want to do 30, whatever, we use your own or existing search traffic with search engine, Bing PPC, direct link. You using a custom landing page, put that right there, and then fully describe how you plan on running the campaign and request approval. Now, in my case, I normally get approved after about a business day or two. My affiliate manager, or if I want to speed it up, I just reach out to my affiliate manager and say, hey, Bianca, I think you can approve me for this offer. I want to run it on Bing, blah, 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 and I am good to go. Now, if you want some high converting offers and you just can't find it inside what's a new day now? That's why the column went to, now yesterday I made 84 because it's 12:07 right now. But yeah, like I was saying before, if you can't find campaigns you want to run inside the top campaigns, the trending campaigns, the MaxBounty picks, or whatever, recently viewed, bookmark, blah, 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 you can reach out to your affiliate manager. They got their email, they Skype. You can ask them, hey, what's the best converting offers for this traffic source? I'm trying to run it ASAP. You can go to search campaigns and filter it however you want to do it. So like I said, I don't even recommend lead offers for Bing. I recommend sale offers. But they even got, like, even right here, you know what? I'll just leave it at any, because some of these offers like that one, I'm trying to see. That's the actual landing page. But some offers say $1 per lead, but still is like a sale offer. Like they got to spend money for you to get a conversion instead of, a regular email submit. So you can leave that at any mobile optimized, my approved offers, so you don't have to request to get approved. Country, at least if it allows United States, and you can uncheck everything except for search. Uncheck and hit search. I always like to sort by EPC. Offers at the top, with $1.40 EPC, those offers converts pretty dang on good, man. The higher the EPC, the higher it converts. So definitely pay attention to that. You want to open up ones in a new tab, ones that you might be interested in. I definitely recommend picking offers, even though, all of these are high converting offers on this page. You might not be familiar with 99% of these. So just picking one that you can almost relate to in a way, so it'd be easier for you to come up with ad copy, targeting, and all that stuff. So just go through offers that you want to run, make a list of them. and start testing, man. That's the name of the game. Get you a tracking tool set up so you can see what keywords is converting for you and optimize your campaigns and run traffic only to the keywords that's working for you. But like I said, I will leave links below to ClickMagic and whatever. And if you want access to the advanced training on how to do my Bing ads training, my Bing ads direct linking campaigns, I will leave links to my elite course as well as my ClickBank little mini course. It's the same as, setting up with MaxBounty. It's just two different networks. But yeah, man, that's pretty much all I got for this video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Post videos like this almost every day, definitely a few times a week. That's all I got for this. I'll see y'all in the next one.